Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about natural resources. Natural resources are materials from the earth that we are used to support our life and people's needs. For example, sun, air, oil, metals, etc. Natural resources are classified into two types. They are renewable resources, non-renewable resources. First, renewable resources. Renewable resources are which can be recycled and thus will never get exhausted. For example, sunlight, wind, soil and water. First, sun. It is a renewable source of energy. Humans use this energy for heating, cooking food, removing salt from seawater, and it used to drying clothes. Next, wind. Wind is main source of energy. It is used to generate electricity without polluting the environment. Next one is water. It is a very important natural resources on earth. Our earth covers nearly 75% of water. Next, non-renewable resources. The resources are which cannot be recycled and thus will get exhausted. Their sources are called non-renewable resources. For example, oil, minerals, natural gas and forest. First one, oil. Oil is a non-renewable resources of energy. It means that it will not last forever. It is obtained from vessels, seeds and leaves. It is used to cook food, power engines and machines such as cars, aeroplane and trucks. Next, natural gas. This natural gas is formed when the heat under the ground reacts with the remains of dead plants and animals over millions of years. Some examples of natural gases are methane, ethane, propane, etc. Next, forest. An area with high density of trees is called a forest. It is known as green gold. It keeps the air clean. It provides lots of useful things like wood and medicines. We must remember three things for the conservation and preservation of our natural resources. The three things are reduce, reuse, recycle. First, reduce. We should use and not misuse natural resources, which means we should reduce their use. Reuse. We should reuse things in order to avoid depletion and exhaustion of natural resources. Recycle. We should recycle things like metals, glass, paper, plastic, etc. Okay, students, next we are going to learn how to save our natural resources. Avoid cutting trees. Check pollution of air, water and land. Use fossil fuels carefully. Use more of renewable resources. Recycle resources and reuse them. Okay, students, I hope you learned about natural resources. Come, let us once again recall what we learned in this session. Natural resources. Natural resources are materials from the earth that we are used to support our life and people's needs. For example, sun, air, oil, metals, etc. Natural resources are classified into two types. They are renewable resources, non-renewable resources. Okay students, thank you.